3, 2, 1.
Oh my God, that is so cool. So sweet. I appreciate you all.
Would you love to say a few words about what inspired you to build this business and here you are today?
I know. I don't know. I just had a dream. We moved here a year and a half ago from Minneapolis, and I've always just wanted to create a space where everyone feels welcome and loved and supported, and no matter where you're at in your fitness journey, like brand new walking in, I've never done this before, or if you've been coming consistently for years, like this place is for you. It's for everyone. It's more of just a big, friendly, beautiful community than anything. It's not about like what we look like, where you come from. It's how do you make people feel, and how do you feel when you leave that front door. So I love you all.
Love you.
Tonight we have our happy hour from 5:30 to 7 p.m. Feel free to, anyone can come on in. We'll have NA beverages. We both don't drink, so we love to also create inclusive environments for folks that do not drink. But they're still good. So 5:30 to 7, and then Grant and I will also be leading a candlelight restore. So it's a very gentle yoga class. Literally, you just lay on your back. If you can do that, then you can do the class. And he'll be playing guitar while we do that. So that is on the website, pulsecardioluth.com, if you want to join us for that. But the happy hour, you don't have to sign up. Just show on up. Say hey. Tomorrow we got a live DJ in the house, giveaways, fun stuff happening. So if you want to come by after 10:30, you're more than welcome to. But yeah, it'll be a party.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Well, thank you for having somebody tell me your chamber cover.
Yeah.